Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we will be talking about a primary trade line that goes up to $10,000 that you can get starting today without having to pull your credit history. They will not do a credit check whatsoever. So anybody can get approved for this. All you have to do is verify your identity and make a deposit. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also like this video so that this video can get pushed out to more people who would enjoy this content. Also, stay tuned and watch the entire video because there will be some bonus information in this video. I will include another card that has no limit that will help you build credit history as well. And they report to 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus. So definitely watch this entire video to get both cards to help really boost your credit score and help build credit history. Okay, so the card that we're going to be talking about today is the Sable ONE secured credit card. This credit card allows you to start building history for your credit report without having to be approved for this card using your credit. So you don't have to have any credit checks ran on your credit in order to get approved for this credit card. So how it works is you sign up, you make a deposit, they will verify your identity, you'll download their application, whether you have an Android or an iPhone, and you'll begin making purchases with your card, and you'll be able to also get real-time credit history updates through the app. And you also get rewards as well. You can get up to 2% cash back on purchases from Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Uber Eats, Whole Foods, and then 1% on other purchases. You also will get Mastercard car rental insurance, cell phone protection, including cracked screens, 0 liability on purchases, and more. So they have no fees whatsoever when it comes to transaction fees or annual fees. They have none of those. There is a 6.99 APR, so keep that in mind. Again, you can download their app, and you can also add their virtual card to your Google Pay, your Samsung Pay, or your Apple Pay wallets. So you don't even have to use a physical card. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up. First, you're going to deposit any amount of money into your account to start. I think the minimum is $10 and the highest is $10,000. This is the amount you can spend on your Sable ONE secured credit card. So it works just like a regular traditional secured credit card, except for they don't run a credit check. And you can also use it virtually without having to use a physical card. And so you'll use it to pay for everyday purchases like your rent, your car loan, your mortgage payment. Instead of using a regular debit card, you'll use this to help build credit history. So here are some of the features. You get, again, 0 annual fees, credit history built up, no foreign transaction charges, you get cash back, you get phone protection, 0 liability on purchases, identity theft, airports, concierge, card replacement, travel assistance services, car rental insurance. So this is a really cool way to build credit. Also, as far as when it comes to reporting, they will start to report your credit history 3 months after you start using the card. So you do have to wait 90 days for it to start showing up on your credit report. Also, they do not charge late fees, but you will get additional interest accrued on the amount not paid by the statement due date. So you got to make sure that you pay your balance on time. The way that you're going to make your payments is through the money app that they have, the Sable app. So there's going to be a button where you can select to pay the bill when the bill is due, or you can pay it before the bill is due. You can pay it early at any time. Also, if you want to increase your credit limit, you can do that as well in the app by navigating to the card screen, then selecting the Sable ONE secured credit card, and then you're going to choose set credit limit. And what they'll do is they will move the funds from your bank account to the secured card. And again, you can move as much money on the card as you want, up to $10,000. The minimum is $10, and they'll do that within 1 business day. Also, if you need a checking account, they also do provide a bank account with a debit Mastercard as well. This is a free checking account that allows you to have 0 monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements. There are no overdraft fees, and there are no transaction fees for foreign transactions. So that's really cool compared to Chase and Bank of America. You'll be saving a lot of money if you use their checking account, and you'll also receive cash back on your purchases, and you'll be able to use your card right away after you sign up by adding it to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay account. And then of course your money is protected up to $250,000. It is a FDIC insured bank account, and they do offer cash advances as well as travel assistance through their Mastercard travel concierge as well. And so you get some of the same features as having the secured credit card when you get the bank account as well. Also, not to mention, they do report to all 3 credit bureaus, not just 1 or 2, but they report to all 3 of the major credit bureaus in real time. So it takes them 90 days for it to show up on your credit report, but after that, it's reported in real time. So every purchase counts towards building your credit history. And then you get $25 when you build your score to a 700 or more within 12 months of using the credit builder account. So all you need is your social security number to sign up, as well as your personal information like your address and things like that to verify your identity. Now I'm getting ready to give you a bonus. Here is another credit builder account. This is for the people who like to watch the entire video, or at least most of the video, and get all the information that they need to get. So this is for you guys who stick around and watch the video till the end. So this is another credit builder account that's similar to Sable. This is the extra card. They report to Equifax and Experian. They do not report to TransUnion just yet. And also this is only for Apple users. So if you have an iPhone, you can sign up with this particular credit builder account, and you can add their virtual card to your Apple Pay wallet. So how it works is you connect your bank account to their app using Plaid, and your spending limit is based up off of the money that's in your bank account. So you cannot spend more than what's in your bank account. Sometimes it's actually a little bit less than your actual balance in your bank account. So when you use your extra card, they will spot you for the purchase and then automatically pay you, or you automatically pay them back the next business day using that checking account that is connected to your extra card account. So at the end of the month, they total up all of your purchases and report them to the credit bureaus as credit-worthy payments. So they report again to Equifax and Experian. So you can also earn points as you make purchases, and you can also redeem those rewards at their store. They have a store on the app that you can use to redeem those rewards. And they also show you your credit on the application as well. And they do not check your credit, and there are no interest fees whatsoever. There is a monthly fee of I believe $12. It's either $7 or $12 a month. So this is another really good account to use. I have this account myself. Some people say they score went up by 100 points. Someone said that they score went up by over 200 points in about 5 or 6 months. So that's it for this video. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. And also like this video if you found this content valuable.